Welcome. This is a meditation to calm anxiety. It uses the methods of Dr. Joe Dispenza. We will pair conscious breathing with visualization to shift your brain from beta into alpha. Beta is the stress and overthinking state. Alpha is the state of calm and repair. This is not just rest, it is a real physiological shift. It will retrain how your body handles stress. The key is a long, slow exhale. It activates the vagus nerve and tells your brain you are safe, lifting you out of fight or flight. In minutes, your nervous system will calm faster. By the end, your body will release tension, and your mind will grow quiet and clear. Let us teach your nervous system safety now. And if your mind is racing, that is okay. Just be here. Settle into a comfortable position. Sit or lie down, however you feel at ease. Let your spine relax and gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a long, easy breath out. Let the exhale be longer than the inhale. This is how the vagus nerve switches on, and the body hears the signal that it is safe to relax. Again, breathe in and slowly let it go. With every exhale, the body grows heavier and calmer. No need to breathe in any special way, just a little slower than usual. Breathe in calm. Breathe out what you no longer need. Let the breath flow on its own. You do not need to control it. Just watch it, like quiet waves. Each exhale a little longer, and the body sinks deeper. There is nowhere to hurry. This time is only yours. Just a few minutes to finally breathe out. The slower the breath, the calmer the mind. Follow the exhale. It leads you into calm. Breathe in a gentle filling. Breathe out a soft release. Little by little, the body grows heavy and the mind goes quiet. Now move your attention through the body, from the top of your head downward. Smooth your forehead and brow. Soften your jaw. Let your shoulders drop, heavy and loose. Release your arms, your chest and your belly. Relax your back. Your hips, knees, and feet. Wherever tension remains, simply breathe it out. Feel your shoulders settle a little lower. The body grows heavy and warm, sinking a little deeper. Relax your neck and throat. Let your tongue rest softly. Even the small muscles of the face can finally let go. A soft heaviness spreads from your head to your shoulders, from your chest to your hands, from your hips to your feet. The whole body becomes soft and warm. The anxious mind lives in analysis, always turning something over. To let it quiet down, We will shift the focus, bring your attention to the space around you. Feel the volume of the room. Sense the distance between you and the walls. The space above you and below you. Feel the space behind you and on either side. You are inside a calm, open space, soft and quiet. In this openness, anxiety has nowhere to settle. Hold your attention on that emptiness, on nothing in particular. If it drifts to a thought, gently return it to the space. This is not a mistake. The mind always wanders a little. What matters is returning calmly each time. With each return, calm becomes more familiar. Do not study the room. Just feel its open volume. If your attention slips to a thought, softly bring it back to the space. And with each pause between thoughts, more clear, open calm. Let your attention dissolve into this quiet space. Your attention grows wide, soft, and diffuse. In this kind of attention, thoughts find nothing to grip. This is not emptiness forced by effort, but calm from having let go. There is nowhere to be and nothing to hold. When the mind stops gripping thoughts, it begins to slow. The fast beta waves give way to calm alpha waves. Notice the pauses of silence between your thoughts. Those pauses grow longer, and the thoughts grow fewer. You are not chasing thoughts away. You simply stop following them. And with each pause, it grows quieter inside. The mind, used to rushing, finally slows its step. Thoughts become rare, like a few passing clouds. Rest in this open space. No tasks, no time. Here the mind has nothing to grip, so it lets go. Stay in this stillness with not a single task. For a few moments, let go of all you take yourself to be. No name, no role, no worries. Just you and quiet presence. Right now, there is no one to be and nothing to do. No past and no future. Only a soft, quiet now, gentle and calm. In this simplicity, the body relaxes to its depths. You feel light and spacious. The edges of the body seem to melt, leaving only warm calm. The brain shifts into a slower rhythm, the one in which it repairs itself. This is alpha, calm and clarity. In this rhythm, the body heals the marks of stress. Here, a true, deep rest is born. Your heart beats slower, your breath very quiet. The body fills with a calm, pleasant weight. Every muscle releases what it held all day. You are perfectly all right now. No threat, no urgency, no rush. Only you and your calm breath right now. Nothing is threatening you in this moment. You are completely safe. The body feels it and releases the last of the anxiety. Nothing to solve, nothing to defend against. You can simply be here in this quiet. Rest here for as long as you like. Each time you choose calm over anxiety, you rewrite the old stress response. The brain remembers this new state and returns to it faster next time. Before, the body answered stress with tension. Now it has another choice. You show the body another way to meet stress, not with struggle and rush, but with quiet breath. Picture an everyday stressful moment, but you meet it calmly, steady, grounded, no longer swept away. You are no longer at the mercy of anxiety. You choose how to respond. And that choice grows more natural each time. And the brain records it as a new, familiar path. The more often you walk it, the easier it becomes. Imagine moving through an ordinary day, staying just this calm. The same tasks, the same people, but quiet and steady inside. See yourself in a hard moment, staying calm and clear. Breathe even, shoulders soft. Your mind clear, so calm becomes your new answer to stress. With each practice, this habit grows stronger, and anxiety finds it harder to take hold. The old anxious path slowly grows over, and the calm one becomes the main road. One day, you will notice you are calmer in your life, reacting more softly, and recovering faster. Anxiety will come less often and leave more easily. Because now, the body knows the way to calm. Gently repeat to yourself, I am safe. I am safe. I can let go. I can let go. My body is calm. My body is calm. I choose peace. I choose peace. Calm is my new habit. Calm is my new habit. I answer stress with calm. I answer stress with calm. I return to calm with ease. I return to calm with ease. All is well with me. All is well with me. I am safe in this moment. I am safe in this moment. The anxiety fades, calm remains. The anxiety fades, calm remains. Keep this state of calm somewhere deep inside. Today, your nervous system learned something new, to move from anxiety into calm. And it will remember you can return here anytime you need. This calm stays with you, even when you open your eyes. Wherever you are, this quiet place is within you. Carry this calm with you into the rest of your day. It will not disappear. It is part of you now. Just recall one long, slow exhale. Now, slowly, begin to come back. Feel your breath. Feel your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a slightly deeper breath and slowly return. And when you are ready, take your time and open your eyes. Take your time. Stay in this calm a little longer. The more often you practice, the easier calm becomes. If this meditation spoke to you, subscribe, and in the comments, tell me where you felt the tension melt away. Take care of yourself. Until next time.